Good afternoon and welcome to Shootin' a Shave. Today's shave is dedicated to a fellow YouTuber and wet shaver named Kit. His YouTube channel is called DE Shave Talk with Kit, and he just recently announced that he might be slowing down on making videos because of some health issues that he has been battling with for a very long time, and that the medication that he is taking is no longer working the way that it should be. So I wanted to dedicate my shave to you today, Kit. My razor of choice is going to be the Fatip Grande here, and I gotta go with a Yaqi brush. I know Kit loves Yaqi brushes, so I'm gonna go with my Yaqi Butterscotch handle brush here. And the shave soap today is going to be RazoRock Tuscan Oud. So let me go ahead and get this brush locked and loaded, and we'll start this shave up. I need a little more water in there. So, good scent strength on this soap. 1 to 10 scale, I'd say is about a 5, mid-range. And as for an oud scent, it's a sweet oud scent. Sometimes oud scents can kind of be a little, I don't really know how to describe it. I guess fecal. That's maybe not the best way to describe it, and maybe not the most attractive way to describe it. But this is a very nice, sweet cologne-y oud scent. And just a little more water, the tips there. Alright, got her locked and loaded here. Plenty of cream in that brush. A ridiculous amount. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this lather on the face. Sorry, growing out the goatee. No shave November is over, so goatee's coming back out. I definitely need some more water in this. Very, very nice scent. I love the scent of this soap. Next to the Art of Shaving's Oud scent, this is my second favorite. I have not yet tried the Stallion. I think that one might be a little different, if not the same. I'm not sure if it's the same or if it's a little different. A little more water in there, and I'm going to call it a day. It's going to be more than plenty. Can't wipe this away. There we go. We're going to go first pass here. Yeah, only less than 24 hours growth. So not a whole lot to shave here. Very nice razor. I heard that these razors are pretty aggressive, but this one feels pretty mild to me. It's not super aggressive in my opinion. There is blade feel, but it's not uncomfortable. And I hope that camera isn't a little too close. I'm trying a different camera angle today. Do a real quick feel about. Nice. Get lathered up here for the second pass. Yeah. So, how's everybody doing? I hope you guys are all well. Hope everybody's shaves are going good. It's Saturday morning here. I'm not sure if I've said that already. If I did, sorry. We're going to get our Christmas tree tonight, and tomorrow we are taking the kids to go have breakfast with Santa. So, got some exciting stuff going on this weekend. All right, second pass here. Yeah, definitely not too aggressive. Very comfortable razor to use. Good residual slickness on the soap. Very comfortable shave. So quick feel about here. Just the usual spots to touch up under my neck here. And I'm gonna call it a day. Okay. All right, rinse up real quick. All right, and that is an excellent shave. Very, very nice. All right, so I'm not gonna clean up the sink, I'm just gonna clean it up afterwards. I'm just gonna go right into post shave here. Thayer's lavender scented Witch-hazel. Whoop. Let me get the cap open up here. And for post-shave balm today, I don't have any oud scented aftershave, so I'm just going to go with the Art of Shaving oud scented post-shave balm. Get a nice healthy dose. Maybe that's a little too much. Yeah, very nice shave, very comfortable shave. That was the first time I've ever used a Fatip razor. Excellent, excellent shaver, very smooth. Okay, recap of what I used today. Went with RazoRock Tuscan Oud. Razor today was my Fatip Grande here, open comb razor. Brush today, my Yaqi Butterscotch handle brush here. For post shave, went with the Thayer's lavender scented Witch-hazel and the Art of Shaving Oud shave balm here. And I just want to say, thoughts and prayers are with you, Kit. Really enjoy your channel. If you guys haven't checked his channel out, give his channel a watch. He's got an excellent channel. He really enjoys wet shaving, and you can tell it when you watch his videos, and they're a joy to watch. So Kit, this shave is for you. All the best to you, buddy. And I hope you all have a great weekend and have great shaves, and I'll see you again soon for another shave. Take care.